Abraj Group's Karachi Electric Supply Company laid off over 4,500 workers who did not opt for its voluntary separation scheme. According to the KESC spokesman, the dismissal took place in order to make the organization more functional. In its press release, KESC announced that non-core office jobs had been outsourced. The company had announced a voluntary separation scheme for non-management and non-technical staff on December 31, 2010. The scheme closed on January 15 and received a lukewarm response. This is the latest in a series of setbacks for the company has faced since it was privatized by the Musharraf government in November 2005. The company administration believes that the move will improve its operational performance through greater focus on electricity generation, transmission and distribution. But the workers have a different story to tell.
We do not have a long list of demands. We have a single point agenda, and all we want is our job back. KESC administration must stop this anti-worker and illegal acts, because KESC is not facing any solvency issue, so it cannot lay off its workers. And there is a code of law for that. KESC balance sheet shows that financially it is gradually improving. They are not firing us, but replacing us.
The People's Worker Union has also termed the KESC decision as unlawful and a conspiracy to undermine peace in the city. According to them, the management of the privatized KESC had tried to forcibly get the voluntary separation scheme from about 4,700 employees, but over 4,000 workers refused to accept the offer.
They told us to take golden handshake, but neither was it golden nor a handshake. It was a lollipop in exchange of our whole life which we have given to KESC. We asked from the Chief Justice of Pakistan, who talks about the Constitution, that what kind of a constitutional permission was, which sacked us from our jobs after taking long years of our lives.
At present, a private group, Abraj Group from Dubai, is running KESC, and he decided to lay off about 4,000 KESC workers without any reason, without fulfilling the legal formalities. As they declared that they are financially crunched, but they have not fulfilled the formality of going to court and declaring from court that they are disrupt, they are bankrupt.
Although President Zardari and Ishatibad, the governor of Sindh province, have constituted separate committees to find a solution for sacked employees of KESC and has named a 3-member committee in a bid to end the row, the workers say they will only end their sit-in after they get their job back. Muhammad Turi, Press TV, Karachi.